Hey gang, and good morning from the Bahamas. We are still on our magical Disney Wish cruise, and I know you guys want to see more of our trip, so come along.
It's based off our needs.
We woke up this morning, we had some breakfast again at Marsh Lane Market. It was so good. They had Mickey waffles, eggs Benedict, all the good things. But we wanted to soak up a little sun today and go on their AquaMouse water coaster. We've never been on anything like this, so we made our way down to the main pool deck and we're gonna try to get on this little ride. And Trav is just enjoying the views over here of this other giant ship that's next to us.
Stacks on stacks.
Just so many different boats, yeah, just lined up right here. This is the Independence of the Seas. I'm sure Carnival's over there. But we do not have time to explore other ships or think about them. We have so much more to do on this ship today. Let's go try to get on this little water slide. Now I see the AquaMouse sign, and it's only a 10-minute wait, so not too bad. I was thinking we were gonna have to wait a lot for this little ride. Let's go! I think we're coming on our first big drop. Hold on. And we've made it all the way up to deck 13 to check out the adults only area and the Cove Bar. And what's so cool about the adult only area up here, you can actually see the AquaMouse go by. So that would be kind of fun to like film your family and friends from this area as they go by. And even up here, we have a beautiful lookout over the Bahamas. Look at that blue water, you guys. So stunning. And they also have their infinity pool up here. It's so cool. You can look straight over the water like you're about to fall off. And do you guys hear it up here? It's definitely the quiet zone. Very, very much so relaxing. Even if you have kids, maybe you should drop them off somewhere and come up here to this area. It's so, so nice. There are so many different chairs to relax out here. We got a little lounger instead of a chair. So super comfy. Cheers. Cheers. I finally have a margarita in hand. I have been waiting this whole cruise to get a margarita. A lot of them don't have it on the menu, like it wasn't even on the menu here at Cove Bar, but you can ask them and they can make you a delicious margarita. So as you can see, we were just on that AquaMouse earlier, and that is the exact same deck that the adult only pool is on, but you can still kind of see the movie from here. They're playing Frozen 2 right now, but you could definitely see how much more crowded it is down there. So highly recommend coming up to this little cove area if you can. And in my getting ready for the cruise video, you guys saw me get my hair done, but I never got to show you my really pretty nails. My nail artist did such a great job. It's giving blue, giving, you know, gold, all the Wish colors, and it kind of looks like waves. And of course, you know, she had to do a hidden Mickey right there on the ring finger. Oh yeah, it's lunchtime. What'd you get us, Trav? Little cheeseburger, some nuggets, and some fries. Ooh, delivered straight to me. Thank you, Uber Eats. That burger looks so good. Where was this from?
Down there, Goofy's Grill.
Goofy's Grill. We were craving a burger and Goofy's Grill remedied that for us. So we gotta get in this infinity pool. Let's see if it's a little less crazy. We can take you guys in. Room and there was a little something waiting for us on our bed. You guys know what this means. It's pirate night. And pirate night has commenced. As you can see, we have our Pirates of the Caribbean LBV t-shirts on, link in the description. Travis is wearing the really cool bandanas that they left us. You look too good in that, Trav. Like, I tried it on and I didn't even look that good, but I do have my Captain Hook gear. We are heading to pirate night. We got to eat at Arendelle, and then there's going to be many more pirate festivities to come. And we are heading straight in the lobby to meet some of our favorite pirate characters, and look what they've done with the place. You can tell it's pirate night. Minnie Mouse is definitely ready for pirate night also. Look at her all dressed up. But right before dinner, one of my favorite captains of all time is meeting and greeting his fans. I haven't met him in so long. We are gonna greet the fantastic Captain Hook. Uh-oh, here comes trouble. Aye, aye, Captain. Oh yeah, he's getting in place for us to say hello. He's here. He is here. Captain Hook. Can I touch the hook? No, that's too much. I went too far. This is my very first ship that I've been on, and when I heard that you were going to be the captain of it, I had to come because I trusted you completely. You know the way. Can I get a little picture with you? That would be amazing.
He loves his hands. On our phone there.
Thank you, Captain. So good to see you.
When you touch them.
Why does he make me smile? Why does the grumpiest mustachioed man make my cheeks hurt?
I don't know.
Oh,
I don't know why.
I must have a type. And speaking of having a type, so does Anna, and that's because she's getting engaged in Arendelle. We are heading into her dinner celebration right now. Got to our table and check out this menu. They have smorgasbords of everything. Salads, soups, delicious steak and fish. I can't wait to decide what we're gonna try here.
Oh, am I hearing a cuckoo out there? How pleasing! Again, please. Cuckoo! Louder. Cuckoo! Oh, hello, man. Hello, lady. Hello, everyone dressed as swashbuckling pirates. I am Morgan, and I am pleased to be welcoming you to Arendelle.
And for our royal smorgasbord to start, I am getting Elsa's Royal Baked Scallops. It's shrimp, tarragon, bisque, rainbow carrots, leeks, and flaky pastry. And Travis is getting their Harlesburg cheese and rosemary ham tart with gala apple and William pear compote. I had seen this little pastry walk by me a little bit earlier, but I thought, what is that? That isn't an appetizer that I saw. Well, I ended up ordering scallops, and these are the scallops. They are just inside of this stunning pastry. Let's kind of dive in here and see if we can see any of them. Oh my goodness. I went fishing and I found a delicious thick scallop. It just feels appropriate on pirate night to be having some seafood, especially some scallops. I'm assuming that tart was as good as it looked there, love. Hey tart, how was that tart?
It's party.
You have a little beer mustache too, which is adorable with your pirate outfit. Hello! Woohoo! Look who it is! Olaf coming by. Olaf!
Welcome to the castle. Celebrating the engagement of some things never change. Turn around, the time has flown. Some things, though the future remains unknown. They are still not past, they are past, made back. It's true. Some things never change. And I'm holding on tight to. 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 Holding on tight to you.
And then for our entrees, I had to go with their Arendelle quicho cake. It's braised meatballs, rosemary cream reduction, egg noodles, and lingonberry chutney. And Travis got their garlic and thyme roasted beef ribeye. It's double baked potato, buttered broccoli, sweet honey roasted carrots, and Cabernet Jus. Something is happening, you guys. I think this is a new tradition on the Wish. You better get it. Yeah! I love this. And if that wasn't fun enough, let's go ahead and jump right to dessert. This is the ice cream sundae. It's Elsa's Coronation Sundae, mint chocolate chip ice cream, marshmallows, and fresh whipped cream, and snowflakes on top. And Travis decided to go with their butter cake. It's baked almond meringue, vanilla cream, and berry compote. Well, Arendelle was awesome, but it's time we put this pirate gear to use. Let's head to the pirate party.
Drop anchor here for the boldest feats and the swingin'est shanties. And bring your sea legs, you landlubbers. If you keep your wits about you, you can keep having fun until your sails are sagging and your poop deck is all pooped out. Here's a final cannon blast before the big show. Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street. We will rock you. The most rockin' pirates around.
guys, it's like we're back in Florida. I see Cinderella Castle. We actually hopped in to the Neverland cinema. I wanted to check it out, and it is definitely all the Neverland Peter Pan themes. I mean, look at these lamps on the wall. It's Tink, and her little wings are glowing. That is so cool. Even all the back of the seats have different Peter Pan characters on them. Smee and Hook, you better not look now. TikTok is right behind you. He's on your tail. But yeah, they show different movies here pretty much every night, different Disney movies, or sometimes even Disney movies that haven't been released yet. So we might have to come back and check out something here too. Oh my goodness. We just got back from Pirate Night, and look what is waiting on our bed. We have some gold pirate jewels. It says dead man tell no tale with a little skull. And oh my gosh, I love the cast members here. They took Travis's glasses and made it whatever. It looks like a real person's like face is under there. I think it's an octopus. What do you think, Trav? Trav thinks it's Davy Jones, which that's kind of an octopus squid.
Yeah,
that is
sense.
So fun. And our first pirate night down in the books, which was also so much fun. In fact, this day was so amazing. Just getting to lounge around the ship while other people got off in the Bahamas. We decided to just do everything we could around here. Tomorrow we will be getting off the ship, so make sure you're subscribed so you can come with us to Disney's private island, Castaway Cay. We cannot wait. Are you gonna subscribe so you can see that? I really, really hope so. But for now, peace, love, and positivity, and all the piratey things. Love you guys. Bye.